Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Hammerhead Karoo 2. To begin, unbox your device and attach the included lanyard for security. Power it on by pressing and holding the power button for approximately 3 seconds. You'll then complete the initial setup, connecting to Wi-Fi and logging into your Hammerhead account. Finally, securely mount the Karoo 2 to your bicycle using the robust quarter-turn mount, ensuring it's ready for your first adventure. This foundational setup takes only a few minutes. Navigating with your Karoo 2 is straightforward. You can easily plan routes directly on the device or import GPX files from your preferred mapping service. The crisp, 3.2-inch high-resolution screen provides clear, turn-by-turn directions, ensuring you stay on course. During your ride, the Karoo 2 tracks essential metrics like speed, distance, and elevation. You can customize your data fields to display up to 10 different metrics per screen, giving you all the information you need at a glance. Personalize your Karoo 2 experience by customizing ride profiles, data pages, and sensor pairings. It seamlessly connects to both ANT+ and Bluetooth sensors, allowing for comprehensive data collection from heart rate monitors, power meters, and more. Your rides automatically sync with popular platforms such as Strava and Training Peaks, making it easy to share and analyze your performance. Additionally, you can receive smart notifications from your phone directly on the Karoo 2, keeping you connected without distraction. Unlock advanced features like Climb Pro, which provides detailed ascent information, and structured workouts to guide your training. Keep your Karoo 2 performing optimally by regularly installing over-the-air software updates, ensuring you have the latest functionalities. For maintenance, gently clean the 3.2-inch screen and device body with a soft, damp cloth. Always charge your Karoo 2 fully before each ride. A full charge provides up to 12 hours of battery life, supporting even your longest cycling adventures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.